Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 16th November to 22nd November. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now, this reading is about what opportunities could present itself in this week in your business, money or career situation. Also, what obstacles or challenges you could face. So if you are aware of it, you can handle it better. So let's begin. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. You could check the other videos as well if the messages resonate. So let's start. General energies for Capricorn, spirits and guides, help, please guide. General energies for business, career, money situation. Capricorn from 16th November to 22nd November. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please help. One more shuffle. General energies for Capricorn, career, business and money situation. Guides, angels and guides, please help. Six of Swords. So you are moving away from difficult times to a much calmer. The journey is still on. You haven't reached your destination, but moving away from turbulent waters, from difficult situation towards peace, towards betterment, towards success. That's what I said here. Six of Swords energy. The Death. Now this is a Scorpio card. Transformation. There will be a transformation in your situation. Four of Cups. Queen of Wands. 10 of Cups. 9 of Wands. Okay, Capricorn. So here I see that you are moving away. That is, you are leaving behind. This is a Death card here. So you are moving away to a new you. That is maybe the new way, new idea. The way you thought, maybe it could be just in your thought that you altogether change the way you think. So there is a transformation in your thought. There could be a real transformation in your physical world too. You could be moving away or relocate to a new place regarding a job, money, but it will be better for a better living condition, for a better situation here. Now with this Death card coming, something which has not been working, you may be thinking of leaving it and moving away from it. I mean, this is the Death card. Something which didn't work for you, you're just holding on to it. So not holding on. If it's not your thinking, it's about a situation, a person. So you need to. It could be relationship. So some of the in your personal life, if a relationship wasn't working, you need to move away from that. Don't get stuck in the old energies, which will do no good. New beginnings will only happen once we leave this old things which didn't work for us. So after this is new beginnings here. So for new beginnings, for new success, for new growth, you need to leave something which has not been working. So do not holding on to things which do not work for you. This is a message which I am getting. It could be in your personal life most probably, or sticking to a job or sticking to something which is not working for you. So you have to start looking for ways. If there's a job which has not been working, so you need to move. Both the cards are of moving away from a situation which is not working. Here you have started the journey of moving away. This is also maybe you are on the transformation, on the way to transformation. Differently, it will resonate differently with you here. Some of you will be leaving an old business that has not been working for you, an old partnership, a job. You might be thinking, or you will start. That's what in this week here. A relationship, all that. And then you have this Four of Cups with Queen of Wands. So at times, you will be feeling a little bored, doing a lot of work, the same kind of work, So this is like Queen of Wands, very bold, very assertive, very intelligent. So it's just like, it's also about Queen of Wands. Self-care, self-love, having fun. That's also I get with this card. Not only she or he, it could be differently. These are just energies, very bold, beautiful. And if you are disappointed or upset about something or feeling bored, or doing lot of work, It's just that with this Queen of Wands, it says do not get distracted, be focused, because success is nearby. You are on the right path. You do not get your focus back. That is the message coming here. Do not get distracted, get your focus back here. Like the Queen of Wands, who is knows how to work with passion. She has that fire in herself, and she completes her work with lot of passion. So that brings her the success. So if you have to come out of this energy, otherwise there could be a missed opportunity, that you could miss out on something good here. That's what I get. Or a person or a fire sign, could be your boss. Somebody could help you out of getting out of a disappointed situation here. It could be a fire sign here, it could be your boss, it could be at home, somebody who with this Queen of Wands energy, they could help you get out of this Four of Cups, in which if you are feeling left out, disappointed, bored, they could help you. See, this is an Ace of Pentacle, helping hand, so they could help you come out of these energies here. Ten of Cups. So good time with family, good time with friends, good time with kids, you will make valuable investments, purchasing for home, maybe land or anything. That's what I feel, your land, apartment, flat, whatever. You will, here it seems that you will also, what I get here is that if you will explore new lines of business, new lines of work, that and new lines of investments, so that your money grows in the future. That investments that you will make, that money will grow for your future, for your family, for your for the luxuries of your family, for the life, for your family life. You want to grow and expand, so you're making those investments, wise investments. That's what also I get here, for your family, all wise investments here. So all investment that you make should optimize your wealth, your financial situation from your present situation. That should optimize, it should multiply. So that kind of for your family here. Nine of Wands. There is still a situation, some of you, still are wounded. There are certain, some of you are really already gotten into that success mode, wherein you are feeling contented. You know that things are coming, better things are coming to you, or whatever your hard work you have put in, it's still, you can see the initial fruits of labor. But there are still certain Capricorns who will be dealing with this Nine of Wands, putting in a lot of hard work, not getting the results. That's what I feel here, but still holding on and giving us holding on there, not moving away from this situation, from this difficult situations here. You might be hurt, you might be tired, you might be feeling low, depressed, but you are not giving up on a certain situation and staying bold, staying up there. This is what I get. So a little more patience is required, a little more time is required. This will go away. Just be hanging there, be patient, and you will see changes coming for the better, Capricorns here. Yeah, so overall with this Queen of Wands and the Ten of Cups, I feel that life is giving you lot of abundance, lot of prosperity, a lot of happiness. So be thankful, be grateful, to the universe, to the divine, and to your family and friends. That's what I get here. Yes, Capricorns, if you have already entered your good times, and some of you are still waiting to enter, just hang in there. Good times are coming. You are moving away from difficult situations towards better conditions, slowly and steadily. Now we do not have any Pentacle card here, so no money coming in as such. Whatever you have worked in, it will come in the coming weeks. But whatever fixed income is there, that will keep coming for you. So this is it for this week. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card But there are a lot of new purchases that you are making for your family here. Festive season, you are spending quite a sum of money for your family here. Resilience. So rise above tribulations. So this is the message here. So for this card, I feel that whoever is still feeling, this energy, please listen. So you will be successful. Success is coming. Gains are coming. Just hold on there. This is it, Capricorn. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.